Hi and welcome to Dev Pointers. Today I am going to show you how to configure startup apps on your Windows machine. So if you want to start a program or a service whenever your Windows machine starts up, this is the video for you. We'll take an example of this text file, which is a todo.txt. So it consists of a list that I would like to keep track of my to-do list, right? And let's say I want this text file to open up every time my Windows machine starts. So how we do that? First step is to go to Windows prompt and type startup. This will open up a list of startup programs and services that are already configured in the system. Now some of these applications might be added by your Windows admin, or some of them might be configured automatically, while installing Windows. Our goal is to have our txt file to be listed here, and then we can toggle it on and off, to control whether that file will open up during the startup or not. So the first step is to create a shortcut for this file. So we right click on this text file and create a shortcut. Once we have a shortcut, we go to Windows run command, which is press Windows key on your keyboard and press key R. So Windows R. In here you have to type a shell command called startup, shell colon startup. Okay. And it opens up the startup folder. Now what you want to do is you just have to add this todo.txt file here. You can either copy paste or drag and drop, and now this text file should show up in the system settings for the startup. The other way is to create a shortcut right from this folder. So you open this folder, and let's take an example of Visual Studio Code. That's another common IDE which is used by developers on a day-to-day basis, and you would like to have that open, when you log in into your system for the first time in a day, right? So for that, you can just right-click here and new, and you can do shortcut. Once you do that, you copy and paste the location of the program that you want to open up. In our case, for example, here Visual Studio Code. So where is the location of Visual Studio Code.exe file? That's what we are creating a shortcut for. So this is the location I've already captured here. I'll take this, add here, next, finish. So now we have added two shortcuts here, one for Visual Studio Code and one for my todo.txt file. Now we go to our startup settings. I think you have to close this and open again. Now at the bottom you will see you have Visual Studio Code and you have todo.txt, and you can toggle these as you wish. In a similar way, you can add any other application, programs, services that you want to start automatically when Windows boots up. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching the video.